bet you Chris Bird could pull a cross-country song. These are protective chaps, Kevlar in there. It's still so much better not to stick a chainsaw into it. So Mitchell's going to make a cut down, up, down. Timer's ready. Contestants ready. 3, 2, 1, go. Well, Mitchell, you saved your fastest time ever for today. It remains to be seen whether or not you'll be in the doghouse later, but your time was 9 seconds and 1/100th.